In this video, I will show you how to add a bot to your Discord server. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to do this, all you need to do is log into your Discord account and come into the server that you want to add a bot to. And then what you want to do is come up to the top left-hand corner, click onto your server name, and on this menu that comes up, go ahead and click onto server settings. What you want to do now is come over to the left hand side, come down to the app section and click onto app directory. Now this is where you can come to find different apps and bots to add to your Discord server. So what you can do from here is just simply scroll through and have a look at the different apps and bots available. Or if there is something in particular, a certain bot that you want to add, you can come up to the top right hand corner, use the search box and type the name of the bot that you want to add to Discord. So in this example, I'm going to add the Carl bot. So what you want to do once you found the bot is give it a click to be taken to the bot page. And then what you want to do is click the blue button which says add app, or it might say add bot, but give that a click and it's going to come up with a permission like this. From here, you can scroll down and select the server that you want to add this to, and then go ahead and click continue at the bottom. Then all you need to do is confirm the following permissions. So check through those, make sure they're all ticked, all the bot's not going to work properly. Then what you can do is click onto authorize at the bottom. Once you have authorized the bot, as you can see, you should get a success message like this. So what you can do is click to go straight to the server and you should see the bot showing up in the server. So what you can do is come up to the top, and if you click here where it says show member list, you should now see the bot showing up. So you can see mine's here, the one we just added, the Carl bot. Now, just a quick note, which I forgot to mention, is you do need to be a server owner or have the appropriate permissions to do this. But if you do, then just follow the steps, and pretty much that is how to add a bot to your Discord server. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.